So raising capital. When I say raising capital, for digital age entrepreneurs, they might have a capability to seek for to apply for seed funding, and the seed capital can be from government. Government have $50,000, okay, as a start, and then ranging from 50,000 all the way to 100 or $1,000,000. And you need to have a capability to pitch the idea. We call elevator pitch. What elevator? Because most of the executives they stay in the top level of the building, so you cannot bypass the secretary or the clerk or the staff to meet him. So you wait until during lunchtime, and after lunchtime they take a lift up, and you go inside the lift and pitch the idea. 10 seconds. Okay, this is what we call elevator pitch. Okay, yeah, and also there's a lot of sources that you are able to look for funding, incubators, angel fund, commercial bank. The bank now is also transforming into a SME friendly bank, the VC, and some key partners. Sometimes your supplier can be your investor. Okay, when let's say for example you're selling story for a lot of entrepreneurs, end of the day they can be your partners, right? Because they believe your business. Of course, there's a lot of crowdfunding platform, even job job platform. All these things you bring in, so that if you're talking about helping customer to raise fund, or you yourself looking for fundraising, and there's an area that you might embrace. And when we classify the e-commerce business model, there's no one right away, and you can still explore a different classify. Same as the old model like yellow pages, right? E-commerce, they also have different segments, they have different technologies. Same model work in diversified segment. For example, we have this LC line, okay, using a very unique online-offline strategy to sell perfume. Actually, the same system we're able to sell other products also. And we have LC line. Now we rebrand into a car feed, and car feed we have a online and offline car rental platform. And this platform we can also deploy to rent helicopters, the boat. Why not, right? As long as the transportation is concerned, right? So we can able to using the same models. So business also use various different model. So actually you can embrace eBay into your business. You can bring Airbnb into your business. So it become Airbnb business model. Right? So because they build a very interesting existing business model. So you bring in, for example, your training school, you can bring in Udemy model in your business. So you become an integrator with the existing famous and well-reputable business model. And e-commerce enabler, if you have hardcore technologies, you're a researcher, you're a scientist, you're a PhD in IT, algorithm, AI, and you can build some solution to enable the e-business or e-commerce, but you must have technology. E-commerce enabler, most of them, they are technology person. They're hardcore technologies. Okay, and for you involve in digitalization. You digitize the business process. You're not inventing a particular technology, but you can work with university, because university has a lot of very advanced technology. So B2C models, e-retailer, community supplier. You build a community for investor, then you deliver services to them. You can be a freelancer. You have community in outsourcing, task outsourcing, right? And then you can build, if the digital age entrepreneurs, you can build some services to freelancer community, right? So you think about it. You can be a content provider, and you yourself can be YouTuber. In China called Wang Hong. You providing content to them because you have a lot of fans. And you can build an information-based portal, and you can be a transactional agent, PayPal, right? And market inventor, they always invent something like rocket internet, right? So they always invent and creating an e-commerce business. And you can be also the service provider. So all this category is under B2C business model. Ask yourself, which category are you in? If we first look at the retailer, e-retailer. E-retailer or e-tailer is an online form of old-style retailer. The income model is sales. They want to sell things. But the differences compared with the old style retailer is they have virtual business. Okay, and brick and click. So they always have an online platform and then bring the client community to the offline shopping mall or shopping place. And they categorize the business very clear. So the customer go into when I want to buy this particular product, I can search the category very fast. And they have direct relationship with the manufacturer. So you must have this capability. Otherwise, it's very difficult for you to be an e-tailer. But sorry to say that it's a low obstacle. Anyone can go into this market. You're fighting with as a fashion shop in China and retail outlet in Cambodia. And the price can be cheaper than you because your cost in Singapore is higher, right? It's a low barrier of entry.